With the rapid advancements in technology, many people are wondering if finance and accounting professions will become obsolete. Let's explore this question and discuss how technology is changing the landscape of these fields. Automation is one of the major technological trends impacting finance and accounting. AI-powered software can now perform tasks like data entry, reconciliation, and financial analysis more efficiently and accurately than humans. This has led to increased productivity and cost savings for businesses. FinTech has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. From mobile banking apps to robo-advisors, technology is making financial services more accessible and affordable. This is disrupting traditional financial institutions and creating new opportunities for professionals with a strong understanding of technology. While technology can automate many tasks, it cannot replace the human element entirely. Financial professionals are still needed to interpret data, make complex decisions, and provide strategic guidance. The ability to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively will remain essential skills in the future. The future of finance and accounting is likely to be a blend of technology and human expertise. As technology continues to advance, financial professionals will need to adapt and acquire new skills to stay relevant. This could include learning programming languages, data analytics, and cybersecurity. In conclusion, while technology is changing the landscape of finance and accounting, it's not going to make these professions obsolete. Instead, it's creating new opportunities for professionals who can embrace technology and leverage it to enhance their skills and add value to their organizations. Share your thoughts on the future of finance and accounting in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for more career and financial advice.